Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how do Spectrum pods work. Take the Spectrum pods out of the box and place them near the areas in your home where the Wi-Fi signal is weak. Make sure you have easy access to a wall outlet in each of those spots. Now take one pod and plug it directly into the wall outlet. Avoid using power strips or extension cords because that can affect performance. Once plugged in, the pod will turn on automatically. You will notice a light indicator on the device as it powers up. Next, take your phone and open the My Spectrum app. If you do not already have an account, create one by following the sign-up steps. Once you are logged in, look for the Services tab at the bottom of the screen and tap on it. Then select Internet from the list of options. Now tap on Add Wi-Fi pods or choose Setup Equipment, depending on what you see in your app. Follow the instructions shown on your screen. The app will begin searching for the pod you just plugged in. At some point, the app may ask you to scan a QR code located on the back of the pod. Use your phone's camera within the app to scan it. Once the setup is complete, the pod's light will turn solid, which means it is connected and working properly. Thanks for watching.